Lower the time frame, the less profit there is. The higher the time frame, the more profit, less signals.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning, it's August 6, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. European stocks edge higher with US futures, led by modest RTY gains. The dollar holds steady as markets eye Trump's potential Fed pick. Antipodian currencies outperform while havens lag. Gilts drop on new UK fiscal outlook, while US Treasuries await supply. And Fed commentary. Oil rises amid looming Russian sanctions. Key events: Fed speakers, US Treasury sales, and earnings from major firms, including Disney and McDonald's. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
All right, so the first thing you will probably notice is that I did, in fact,
Get your tool back.
yeah, I had to reboot to get that back.
Oh, really?
Sometimes it gets lost in cache land. I don't know why. You know how code is.
Yep. If in doubt, reboot it.
You use it too long and you need a roto-rooter. So I just dropped down to the hour time frame. I'm going to see how this works. I just was not getting enough signals at the 4 hour. That's really more like almost like a swing trading, day trading time frame. But I'm looking for a sweet spot in the middle. So I'll sit here in an hour for a week and see how it goes. If that's not enough, I might drop down to 30 minutes.
Is it just because you don't want that many signals in a 15-minute time frame?
I'm trying to find the sweet spot of making enough pips in the minimum amount of time. Does that make sense? I'm trying to increase the overall profitability. I'm trying to find the sweet spot.
I was just saying that a 15-minute, you wouldn't have to take all the trades.
Right. No, you don't. Lower the time frame, the less profit there is. The higher the time frame, the more profit, less signals. It's like a
Balance.
sweet spot. Yeah. Trying to find what is the sweet spot.
Gotcha.
So anyway, Aussie US dollar, just some minor tweaks you'll see that I did. I added the price point to these labels. You don't have to try to figure out where it's at. It's also going to get added to the profit target and the stop loss and the trailing stop when that appears in a particular instrument.
Okay.
Right now, price is up here in overhead resistance. There's a bunch of that are painted there, but it is just lingering there at the moment. So I suspect this will probably start to traverse back to the downside here relatively soon. But right now it's just hanging there. There's no news today. This is the weirdest week. We've been like in a coma since Sunday night.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing at all is moving. I keep looking at my code going, is it broke? Because nothing's happening. But yeah, so there's that. Any other changes worth talking about? Not really. All of the things that I've done were very subtle, little cosmetic things. Here is the US Canadian dollar. We are in the reverse of the other one. We're way down here trying to peek out the other side of a support order pool. Did have a signal fire off here. We talked about this before. I have it so that they detect when it goes in and out of an order pool.
Yeah.
When you get to the right or left edge of an order pool, I guess it would always be the right edge of an order pool. It comes out when the pool has been drained. I get one last signal, and I was debating on whether trying to eliminate it so it doesn't show at all or just leave it there. And I chose to leave it there because it tells me when the pool is drained, if that makes any sense.
Yep.
So that's what's happening right here. There's a couple of RSIs painting down here. I expect this to start to move back to the upside. US Chief.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Oh, looky there. I got in this while we were talking earlier because this went off. This one's fairly clean.
So you got some room to run.
Yeah, it's got a little, yeah, that's why I'm looking at the hours. This is what, about 30 pips. It's nice. This might be the ticket time frame. I don't know. We'll see. Broke through the lower swing point. Trend is sideways still, so we'll wait and see, but it's slightly profitable right now. The profit target is right here. The stop loss for this trade is right here. I haven't actually adjusted the stop loss yet. Wait a little bit.
Gotcha.
I still do the anxiety stop thing. I'm non-committal. We'll see what happens, but right now this trade is looking good.
No alert. Wow.
Yeah, no.
I usually have a couple real alerts sitting there. There's
Oh, you
one
put
there,
you put in like naked alerts.
yeah, just
Oh,
get
if
off your butt and go look.
this thing gets halfway, trailing stop's going to get kicked in. If that happens, then I will definitely put my stop loss in. If I make it halfway, I'm going to protect half of it at least. I like that strategy. You do have a moderately sized order pool acting as support right here. And if it blows through that, you got a giant swimming pool down here. Everything here looks pretty good. The other area of interest here is this former RSI right here. Also going to act as support when price gets down in this area.
That's about
So
12 pips down or so.
12, 15 pips down. So once you get to this area, you could actually take your profits there if you wanted to, because I got a feeling it's going to hover there for a little bit. Okay, last but not least, pound US dollar. Like I said, I was in this a long time and I got stopped out yesterday afternoon
Mm,
because price decided to go up.
it bounced big time.
I was in it right around here. It kept popping its head up above the water a couple of times. Looked like it was going to make me money, and then did a fake out and ran. Right now, what this is doing is this is trending sideways according to the signal. We just broke out above the upper swing point, but we broke out into a giant amount of resistance. So I don't expect this to run anywhere. It's got a lot of water to drink here, Dave.
Yeah.
Got to suck these order pools dry before it could punch up through there. Now, that can happen, but I'm just leaning on experience. Been there, done that. I'm guessing this is going to run out of gas and start doing that. So
Yeah.
we will see how it goes.